A cloud-based spreadsheet app and Google's answer to Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets is a very useful program that can compare data in different columns for you. If you're looking to perform this kind of comparison using formulas, an add-on, or an online tool, you've come to the right guide. Using the if formula is the easiest way to compare two columns in Google Sheets. It contains three arguments: test to be performed, result to return if the test is not true, and the result to return if the test is true. The if formula can be used when comparing two columns of data to make a note of any differences. As an example, let's start by entering 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 in cells A1 to A5, and the opposite numbers in cells B1 to B5. Now, let's select cell C1 and enter the formula equals if A1 equals B1 match mismatch. To copy the formula to cells C2 to C5, just click the bottom right corner of cell C1 and drag it downwards. As you can see, the formula returned match for identical data and mismatch for those that are not. Power Tools is a Google Sheets add-on that features dozens of cool tools and tricks, including the option to compare multiple columns at a time and even compare data across different sheets. Once the add-on is installed, select Power Tools from the Add-ons menu, then select Start. Within Power Tools, click on the Dedupe and Compare menu option, and select Compare to Sheets. Enter the ranges of the columns you want to compare, then choose between finding unique values or duplicate values, and select how you want Power Tools to indicate the results. If you don't want to use formulas or an add-on, another way to compare data differences is using the free online tool Diff Checker. To use it, just paste a set of text or values into the left pane and paste what you want to compare it with into the right pane. Click the Find Difference button and Diff Checker will compare the two panes and highlight any differences. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.